be breaking down exactly how the token bidding engine works inside of NFT Butler, specifically how tasks rotate, how your bids stay competitive, and how to optimize performance. So let's dive in. First of all, understanding the task engine. So inside the token engine, your tasks are managed through 3 key sections. You have running, which these tasks are actively placing bids. You have queued, so tasks here are lined up to run once a slot opens up. Then you have unqueued, so you can think of this as storage. Tasks here are not doing anything until you manually move them back to the queue. Now each butler can run up to 5 tasks at a time depending on your subscription level. These 5 running tasks operate like a playlist. Once one finishes placing bids, it exits the running queue. If looping is turned off, it goes back to unqueued. If looping is on, it re-enters the queue with a delay countdown. Now task looping and scheduling. So yes, looping matters. If set to auto, the task will re-enter the queue when the first bid expires, helping you maintain activity automatically. If you choose custom, you can set a fixed interval like 1 minute between cycles. Now Butler will only pull tasks from the top of the queue that are blue, which means they're ready, or red, which means era completed and out of delay. Now orange tasks are still waiting for their first bid to expire, so those are not ready yet. Instant counter bidding and counter bidding explained. So let's talk defense here. When ICB is enabled, Butler will protect your active token bids from being outbid even while they're waiting in queued or running sections. So for more information, you can watch our explainer video on ICB here on our YouTube channel. Just want to mention that ICB does not protect against collection bids, since that would require rerunning the entire token task. So if you want to work around, you can set your looping interval to custom. So for example, 1 minute, and your max active bids to 1. This way, Butler refreshes constantly, but only keeps 1 live bid, which also helps with your wrapped Ethereum ratio limits. Now managing running slots and expiration. So if your tasks are all blue and waiting, but all running slots are full, here's why. It's because each task processes around 1,200 bids per hour. So if you add too many tasks too fast, or if you set looping too aggressive, your system gets congested. So you do want to plan smart. You want to assign appropriate expiration times. And a good rule of thumb is 1 hour per 1,000 bids. You can also stagger expiration times to allow fresh tasks to slip into the queue while others are on standby. Running a custom looping interval, that task might hog a slot, so be very strategic if you want to do that. Now handling high competition. So what if you're getting outbid constantly and your task cannot keep up? So this is where smart outbidding shines. So instead of playing a never-ending bidding war with micro increases, smart outbidding splits your bid range into 9 structured steps. This either pushes competitors out fast or gets you to the max price ceiling faster. Now once Butler gets to the top, it automatically shifts to undercutting the second highest bid, giving you margin back while watching if competitors re-enter the race. Now let's take a closer look at how smart outbidding works in NFT Butler and why it gives you an edge in competitive bidding wars. So here you can see I have a demo task that I'm going to do. It is a Warlord NFT and it is currently in my unqueued section. So this is specifically Warlord number 3041. And it is configured with smart outbidding and ICB enabled. So you can see smart outbidding here. The default is wrapped Ethereum, but all you have to do is change it to smart, and you can see the 9 different steps here of how that works. So now I'm gonna drop it into the queue so Butler can place the first bid. Since it's a single asset task, it runs quickly and will immediately return to the queue. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on play here, and you can see that it's starting right now. So you can see that it already finished running here, and if I go over to the ICB engine, you can see the 2 traders battling. So one of them is mine and one of them is for someone else, and this is entering a counter bid battle. Now their bids are set in tiny increments, so if we were both doing that, this bidding war could drag on forever. But because I'm using smart outbidding, my Butler does not waste any time. Instead of these little increases, it splits my min to max bid range into 9 aggressive steps, quickly escalating towards the max price that I've defined. So you can literally watch the bidding war unfold live and see how I'll overtake the competing bid in a few moves. So you can see I topped out at 0.082 and I'm currently winning the battle. So let me now show you this live in OpenSea. You can see the proof here if I click on offers that I've got the top bid on this Warlord NFT. So overall, the key advantage is that smart outbidding helps you cut through endless bidding loops, push out competition faster, and secure the win efficiently. A quick pro tip is that you can reset the whole bidding war by reducing your task expiration time to 15 minutes. Once the bids expire, you can rerun the task and start a fresh race. So that's it on smart outbidding in action. As you can see, faster wins, less noise, and more control. Pro users also get the ability to scale their ICB engine if it's overwhelmed, keeping you on top even in high volume environments. So to wrap up, understanding how these token tasks rotate, how ICB protects you, and how to manage task flow efficiently is key to staying competitive. So I hope you enjoyed this short video on how to use token task bidding and smart outbidding. Thanks for watching.